Digital technology is playing a key role in every aspect of life. The fitness industry is also expanding and growing through digital apps. Keeping all this in mind, several initiatives like Fit India mobile application and Fit India quiz were kick-started under the Fit India movement, which was launched on 29th of April 2019. Let's take a look at this next report to know more. Central government has been vocal about the importance of staying fit and healthy by incorporating routine physical activities into our lives. Several initiatives like Fit India mobile application and Fit India quiz were kick-started under the Fit India movement, which was launched on 29th of August 2019. Let's take a quick look at the key features of the Fit India app. Key features. The Fit India app enables users to check their fitness level scores, track their steps, track their sleep, as well as track their calories. My Plan. The My Plan feature of Fit India mobile app lets every individual to define their current lifestyle, time spent on physical activity, water intake and sleep hours. The Fit India app recommends Indian food plan, number of glasses of water and number of hours of sleep that one needs. Activity Tracker. The Activity Tracker feature of the application helps individuals to keep track of their daily activity levels. The Real-Time Step Tracker helps individuals to track their daily steps and encourages them to set higher goals for themselves. How to download the Fit India mobile app? The Fit India mobile application is available for both Android and iOS platforms and has been developed to work even on basic smartphones. One can easily download the application for free from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Meanwhile, nationwide Fit India quiz was also launched, which is aimed at creating awareness about fitness and sports among school-going children while giving them a chance to compete on a national platform and an opportunity to win a total cash prize of more than 3 crore rupees for their schools. To participate in the quiz, the schools will have to register on the link provided on the Fit India website between 1st September to 30th of September 2021 and nominate their students who will take part in the preliminary round of the quiz at the end of October. The winners of the preliminary round will then take part in the state round in the month of December, and the winners of the state round will then go on to participate at the national level, which will be held in January-February 2022. The quiz will be open for students from all age groups. Schools will be required to register a minimum of 2 students. There is no upper limit for number of students to be registered for Fit India quiz from a single school. Quiz under NTA round will be of 45 minutes duration and will consist of 75 multiple choice questions. Negative marking will be given for incorrect answers. Sports Desk, DD India.